Number 9, triangles 1 and 2 can be shown to be congruent using the reflection what? So we need to figure out which reflection. So again, y'all, if you memorize your mapping rules, it is going to make your life so much easier. So I'm going to put them on here one more time. These are your mapping rules. But if you don't, let's say that, you get to the test and you're like, oh my gosh, I've forgotten everything. Somehow I can't remember my mapping rules. You can always just pick some points and check it. So like this blue ordered pair is originally located at -3, 1. And it ends up over here at +3, 1. So notice that the y value stayed the same and the x changed signs. Now let's check one more ordered pair and make sure that that still holds true. So let's check this one. This one's located at -1, 1, and the corresponding point over here is located at 1, 1. So again, the y stayed the same and the x changed signs. So if I go down here to my mapping rules, I want the y to stay the same and the x to change signs. But you could also see that you're reflecting across the y-axis, and if you have your mapping rules memorized, then you already knew that that was the answer.